Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start with safety and access. Disconnect the battery negative, then remove nearby trim pieces. Use a thin trim tool and a flashlight to lift clips where the dash meets the vent. Once done, keep each clip in order so reassembly is painless. Label or line them up. Now you can see whether the vent is cracked, the louvers are broken, or a clip has sheared off. Make sure to photograph the assembly for reference before removing screws or the vent frame. With the vent frame exposed, remove screws and gently free the unit from the duct. Inspect louvers and pivot pins. If pins are bent or missing, replace them or fashion a 1/16" pin from stiff wire. For cracked housing, roughen surfaces and apply a plastic epoxy. Clamp lightly and let cure per instructions. Once the adhesive sets, test louver movement and adjust shim placement to eliminate wobble. Make sure the vent seals evenly against the duct to avoid air leaks once reinstalled. Reinstall the repaired vent, aligning tabs and hand-threading screws to avoid cross-threading. Tighten until snug. Replace the trim pieces in order. Press clips until they click. Reconnect the battery and run the AC on multiple fan speeds to verify smooth louver action and consistent airflow. If you hear rattles or notice reduced flow, remove trim and recheck clip seating or add a thin foam gasket to the interface. If the louvers stick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.